Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify for Pinterest. First, you will need to install the free Pinterest app directly from the Shopify App Store. This crucial step connects your online store to the visual discovery platform. Next, ensure your Pinterest account is a business account to unlock all marketing features. Finally, grant the app permissions to access your product data, allowing for seamless integration and enhanced selling capabilities. Once connected, your entire product catalog from Shopify will automatically sync to Pinterest. This means new product pins are created and updated in near real time, reflecting any changes in your store. These are called rich pins, which display current pricing and availability, reducing steps for potential buyers. Businesses utilizing a product catalog on Pinterest often experience 5 times more impressions, significantly boosting product visibility. With your products synced, you can easily launch Pinterest shopping ads directly from your Shopify dashboard. This allows you to target specific audiences based on their interests and behaviors, reaching highly engaged shoppers. The integrated Pinterest tag ensures accurate conversion tracking, helping you measure campaign effectiveness. Plus, new advertisers often receive a $100 ad credit to kickstart their first campaign, offering a great promotional boost. To maximize your success, optimize your Pinterest presence. Always use high-quality images and detailed product descriptions to capture attention. Ensure your product titles and descriptions are rich with relevant keywords for better discoverability. Regularly check Pinterest analytics to understand which pins perform best and refine your strategy. Maintaining consistent branding across all your content helps build recognition and trust with your audience, driving more traffic and sales.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.